Elecbrakes, the best brake controller for caravans. When buying a new travel trailer, caravan or camper, choosing the right brake controller is essential. Elecbrakes uses advanced technology to achieve smooth, proportional brake control. So when you apply pressure to the brake pedal, the same pressure is applied to the caravan's brakes. With Elecbrakes plug-and-play option, you can be on the road in as little as 10 minutes. Simply mount the unit to your caravan, plug the adapter into your tow vehicle's trailer socket, and you're good to go. Benefits of a wireless brake controller for towing caravans. Other brake controllers require the control module to be hardwired into the dashboard of the tow vehicle. With Elecbrakes, the in-car controller connects wirelessly to the base unit on the caravan, providing secure and flexible control. Save money with Elecbrakes. Due to the hardwired nature of conventional brake controllers, they require that a separate unit be installed on every single vehicle that needs to be used to tow a caravan. This means that every time you replace your tow vehicle, you'll need to factor in the added expense of a new brake controller. With an investment in Elecbrakes, you only ever need to purchase one brake controller for your caravan. Get brake smart. Get Elecbrakes at elecbrakes.com.